grilled pulled pork on a Weber grill. Oh yeah, 14 hours quick.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Good morning, my Uncle Bill's Kitchen family. Hey, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're out here doing some grilling. It's starting to get cold out, so I wanted to get one more butt done. And we're at the 2-hour mark right now. I wanted to share this with you. You see what we're doing here, and oh yeah, look at that. We've got the snake method going. Wow, it's kind of moving fast. We're gonna put some apple cider vinegar here. Give it a nice spritz. Get that crust forming. Oh yeah. All right, our temperatures are dropping quick, so we're gonna close this back up. See you guys back here in another 2 hours. All right. We're here at the 4-hour mark on our pork butt. Listen, it's been really cold out. The temperatures have been around 44 degrees outside. It's been really tough keeping my temps above 200. So I just did a restack on some of the charcoal to hopefully get that intense heat going. Let's go ahead and take a look and see. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, coming along well. Should have more of a bark than we do here, but because those temperatures are a little bit low, it's gonna take a little longer. See you soon. Just wanted to show you guys that we got the temperatures up to 242 degrees, and our internal temperature on the meat is 143, just about to that stalling point where we're gonna have to wrap it up. All right, here we are at the 7-hour mark. Bark is looking good. The internal temperature is at 155, and we have hit the stall. So we're gonna wrap this bad boy up, make it nice and cozy for the next few hours while it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit.
We're gonna go ahead and wrap this twice with some heavy duty tin foil. And the way that we do it is wrap one side, turn it and wrap the other, making sure to remember where the hole is for your thermometer, and then placing it into a tin so as to make sure to save all those juices. Oh yeah, it's been 14 hours, folks. Let me show you what we do. We're gonna go ahead and remove the tin foil while trying to keep our pulled pork in its pan and let all that juice just fall to the bottom. Take out the bone. Oh, so clean. Oh yes, this is done right. And we're gonna go ahead and with just 2 forks, pull the pork.
Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. It has been 14 hours and we are finally finished with the meat. It has rested for 1 hour and it is looking amazing. Let me show you guys. I know you can. Look at that. Yeah. Oh my. That's just, look at the bark. Look at the smoke rings. Nice and torn up. Let me show you something. That's what you guys want to know, right? Perfect. All the meat has just fallen right off the bone.
To make a pulled pork sandwich, first thing you're gonna need is a nice bun, and we're gonna toast this bad boy up. Oh yeah. This is an artisan style bun that I get here in Michigan. We just pop it in the toaster and we're good to go. Meanwhile, I like to heat this beautiful pulled pork in a pan with a little bit of water, and that's all you're gonna need. There's plenty of fat that came off of the fat cap that melted into the meat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna warm this up in a warm pan first, medium-high heat, and then I like to char the outside just a little bit before adding the water. Give it a nice little crunch. Oh, this looks beautiful. And then I add about a half tablespoon of water per sandwich, and then mix that in, get that water nice and steamy hot, and this is gonna make your pulled pork unbelievably moist right out of the refrigerator or freezer. Look at that. Now we're going to go ahead and pile high onto our bun, just like that. We'll put a little bit on our leftover mashed potatoes that I had sitting out. And now we're going to stack on some beautiful coleslaw. And if you need the recipe, look to the top right now. All right, and here I've got some Carolina barbecue sauce. It is a vinegar and mustard based sauce. If you guys want that recipe, leave me a message in the description below or in the comments below, and I'll make sure to post one for you. But in the meantime, look at that. Oh, beautiful, delicious, succulent, smoky, vinegary, oh, delicious.
Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For each and every one of you who have been sharing our recipes on your social media, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's obviously making a difference on our channel and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It lets you get a notification every time we have a new video come out. It's absolutely free and it helps our channel a lot.